All right, Mr. Nate, this is Joe, Mr. Head of Design and Development. Let's take a look at what a customer looks at. Let's go through a customer experience I just want you to see. First off, this box is super bright white and it just really washes out the whole thing. I would make this that gray up there, right, for some reason, or this gray, and then invert those to white. So it's more neutral in there, but then the population of those white letters would kick. Even with that little darker gray, like this little bar or those letters as the background, it would let this highlight even more. So just on the onset, I would invert that box because it's a little overpowering to the whole look of it. When you got learn more here, you got your little arrow that pops up. Learn more is about us. So is that what I wanted to know about learn more? I thought learn more would be, does learn more lend to do not guess no digital marketing advertising? So do I learn more about us or do I learn more about, really I thought that would go to our services. Okay, so learn more, go look at the services. What do we do? About us should just be about us, right? Learn more means what are we doing for them? So then here you have our services. Here's just a few, right? Then check out our services. I would say see more, okay? And then you have an exclusive feature with our services, okay? So we need to kind of think that one through because, I've landed you on this content, gave you an option for more of that content, and then another button for it, right? It's called looping. Some people hate that because they want to feel like they're progressing through a site or content instead of just getting turned back around to the same thing. Okay. Our latest projects, view our work. So if I click that, that's cool. Shows me, the stuff, and you told me about how it would scroll through and all that. Return to portfolio. So there's all of that. This says, now it's your turn. Check out how we can push your business beyond its limits and expose it to new customers. Okay, this goes back to our services. So another, our services, and this is fine. All this is good. Our strong points. Some of that I don't remember writing. I guess you picked it up somewhere. All of this stuff, who wrote this and who proofed it? Because I don't remember proofing this. Looks like it's good content, but I wanted to make sure we're saying in the vein of what we can do. So now you take me here, right? Like, your work, and then you say it's your turn. Then we go back to here, and then we have to still do get in touch. Get in touch, really? So you see what I mean? Should not be contact us. Contact us should be contact us. About us should be about us. So really you could put contact us under about us, and that's fine. Portfolio should be portfolio with the in capture form, not back to contact us. Info homepage, well, learn more should not be about us. It really should be about our services with a capture form. Does it make sense? Contact us will have a capture form. About us will not. It should lead me to our services, right? Really, I would go from homepage, learn more. Learn more should tell me about my services, okay? About us would actually, give that description. And then at the bottom of about us, our portfolio. Let them see our work. So they learned something about us. Now go take a look at what we've done. Contact us would be underneath about us because if they wanted to reach out to us, they can. Contact us, this form, and the form at the end of our services should all be the same, right? Not really. Contact us should be a little different because we just want to hear from them. What's on your mind? What's going on? Versus our services, sign me up. I need this kind of help, or I need help, and then we'll find out what kind. And then, this one here is the same thing. So just giving you a feel of, like, if I was a customer, I'd actually get frustrated. You might increase the bounce rate because I feel like I'm getting nowhere, right? If I make it to the bottom of that first page, I'm doing contact us. No, I don't want to just contact you. You know what I mean? Contact us means I'm going to file a complaint. I have a question. I want to communicate with you like a chat. It's not a form request field for services. You definitely want to maybe change that. So especially like when you say learn more should be our services with a form capture at the bottom. About us at the bottom, see our work, take them there, and this should be under that in case they wanted to reach out to us. So really you only have this form, and at the end of our services form, which portfolio drives there, about us drives there, and then drives there, right? So you got to make them feel like they're getting somewhere. And then, you know, this looks like a novice website creator. You know, maybe they didn't see that. So more services is what I would create it, or see more, because you already said services 1, 2, and now 3 times here. Exclusive features. It's really just a highlight thing. Why did we even put a button there? I don't know. Could have put a button there. So this is where I would put a learn more button, and that learn more button should match that one. It should go about our services instead of using the word our services again. So learn more takes us to our services. See more, right? Because I'm already in the section of services. But then when I go there, I'm on the expanded one. Portfolio should take me to a capture form. I would do a capture form at the bottom with a button to take me to our services. But you really don't need it, because if they saw about us and it took me there, I can give you a form because I'm ready. If I went and saw about you and it took me to portfolio and I had an option to go to our services, no problem. If I'm on homepage and I click learn more, or learn more under exclusive features, and it takes me to our services, capture form at the bottom. See, you see what's happening? Okay, man, giving you a heads up. And then you have to be careful, because I thought I looked at all of it, and I don't recall this content right here. I bet you got it from the internet, and that's fine. But we should have conversations about stuff that's going to be published. If I got a question that came at me sideways, I didn't know that I made a statement. Somebody might try to quote me verbatim, and so here we are off and running in trouble because I didn't know we made this statement, right? Or they're going to sue us for services not rendered for payment because we said we did these things. Got to be careful. We want to keep it in the wheelhouse that we can manage. Thanks.